How to add AliExpress reviews to Shopify. So the first step is to simply open AliExpress, and then you're gonna have to pick your product. So I'm gonna choose this one here, and I'm gonna import. So let's see. So I'm gonna go with this one here. So let's see how many reviews. So as you can see, this one has only 2 reviews. So I'm gonna search another one with more reviews. So this one should work. As you can see, it has a lot of reviews. So simply go to Shopify and then click on add apps. Then you're gonna have to scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. And now you're gonna have to search for import reviews. And then pick this one here from this one Ali reviews and click on install. And now we're gonna have to simply wait until this loads up and then simply click on install again. So this one from Fire Apps. And now we should have the option to set up this. So let's see. Let's wait until this loads up. And as you can see, we have different plans. So I'm gonna choose the free one. And if you want, you can start the free trial of other ones, but I'm not gonna do that. So let's see. So let's continue with the free plan. And now click on get started. And as you can see, we're gonna have to enable this. So click on embed here. So this one here should be enabled, then click on save. And now let's see if it's working. As you can see, we're gonna have to add the review box to our product page. And after that, we're gonna be able to import the products. As you can see, we have here the reviews, as you can see. So we have the apps, and click on import reviews now. And then what you're gonna have to do next, click on import reviews to the product that you have. As you can see, I have that t-shirt. And as you can see, we can search, and basically we can enter here the URL of the product and then click on import. And basically that's all you have to do in order to import AliExpress reviews to your Shopify store. So as you can see, we have this one here. Let's see on our, as you can see, 5 reviews, and they are here. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.